Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing video. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Wednesday. Y'all, I'm cranking them out, huh? I did a video Monday, did one yesterday, doing one today. It might not be the video you want, but that's the one I'm doing today, y'all. I went online and I ordered from iHerb.com. They are a good website for just all kind of stuff. A lot of like personal care, the body and beauty, household goods. Like they have a lot of stuff. They usually always have some kind of sale or percent off happening, whether it's related to a holiday, a specific brand, like one of their anniversaries or something. They usually have sales and stuff going on. So I try to wait for the sale or the percent off or the coupon for the things that I want to get. I got this box. This probably got delivered like 2 days ago. The shipping is pretty quick, but I didn't have time to really deal with it, and I really wanted to do an unboxing video. So I was like, hey, I just got an iHerb.com shipment. Let's go ahead and do an unboxing. Now, the first thing I want to show y'all, I don't like this. I can't say it was iHerb.com. It might have been through the shipping, y'all, but look at this box. And this box kind of heavy. But y'all, look at this. Look at that. I guess at least I could say, at least they taped it up, and I don't know what this is, this little ink spot or whatever, y'all, but look at the whole side of the box. The whole side of the box, y'all, jacked up. So, iHerb.com, you know, if you see a return slip or a request, you can reference this video and you can see before I even opened the box, it's not opened at all. You know, all of this damage right here. Got my scissors, y'all. Let me go ahead and make this open. And this box is kind of heavy, so I'm trying to see what was it that I ordered that was so heavy. Y'all, and my hair is in the same state it was yesterday, which is why you see the same bandana on top of my head. I ain't even changed the color for y'all. And I got probably about 10 different color bandanas, but you know, we ain't trying to front for the jury. I give y'all the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. Give myself a little space. I know why it's so heavy. This order was for like personal care stuff, I believe, but it had to do with some stuff that I'm trying this year in my garden. Y'all know that I have been dealing with aphids since November of 2022. All of the years that I was gardening before that, in this garden, no aphids, y'all, not one. November 2022, that's when we got those horrific rains and winds, and the weather condition was all crazy. And I think that just made it a better environment for aphids. Y'all, I've been having aphids since November 2022 and they never went away. I tried mainly just spraying them off with water or manually removing them with gloves on, y'all, with my hands. But I need something a little bit better that's going to get rid of the aphids, but also that I feel comfortable with spraying on my plants, because they mostly attack my brassicas, you know, and the broccoli stems, the cauliflower. So, you know, we eat all that, the cabbage. So I don't want to spray something on there that I'm not comfortable, even after you rinse it off 10,000 times and soak it in baking soda and water and vinegar and oil and all that. I want to be comfortable consuming the food that I sprayed, whatever I sprayed on it. I looked at a bunch of videos on YouTube and I found this one video. I'll reference it in the description box. This guy had this formula of stuff that he tried. It seemed like it worked well. A lot of positive comments in the comment section of that video. And I was like, well, let me get the stuff and I'm going to try it too. I believe it was 4 main ingredients for this spray. And it ends up being like a pesticide misty spray. I also placed 2 Temu orders to get some more stuff that I needed for my garden, including one of those water sprayers. So I got one from Temu already, and that's going to be for plain water. I'm going to have one that I'm going to use for liquid fertilizer, and then I'm going to have one that I'll use for a pesticide, and I'll mark them accordingly and use them. But the first ingredient that the guy said to use was specifically Dr. Wood's brand Castile soap, and this is the peppermint. So I have that, and I actually bought 2 of them because y'all know I have one that I'm gonna use for the garden, and then one that we'll use inside the house. Then the next ingredient is also the Dr. Wood's Castile soap, but it's the tea tree one. And then of course y'all know, so I got 2. So again, one for inside and one for the house. And then these are not part of the natural pesticide formula, but I got them anyway. I got the Dr. Wood's raw black soap, Castile soap. And then the last thing I got was another Dr. Wood's Castile soap, and this is almond. So these must have been on sale, y'all. That's why I bought so many of them. So the pesticide recipe called for the Dr. Wood's tea tree Castile soap and the Dr. Wood's peppermint Castile soap. The other 2 ingredients were hydrogen peroxide. Now he calculates it for 1% hydrogen peroxide, but y'all, all I can find is 3%. So whatever the measurements are, divided by 3. So if it's a tablespoon of 1% hydrogen peroxide, just use 1 teaspoon. And then that'll dilute it down to what you need. And then the other ingredient is 70% rubbing alcohol. So it's the 2 Castile soaps, peppermint and tea tree. It's hydrogen peroxide, 3% diluted down to 1%, and 70% rubbing alcohol. And then water. You mix those ingredients together, shake them up, you know, and then use them as a spray, and it's supposed to kill the aphids. And all of these are natural ingredients, so I feel good after, you know, rinsing off the leaves and stuff or whatever, to consume this without feeling like I'm ingesting pesticides or something harmful to my body. And I thought I bought more stuff, but maybe I didn't. I bought a whole bunch of toothpaste, y'all. Look, I like toothpaste. I got to have toothpaste. I do use fluoride-free toothpaste. I know people had their different opinions about fluoride, but for me and my choppers, no fluoride. I did use fluoride toothpaste like all growing up and all that kind of stuff. But after some research, I just came to my own personal decision that I do not use fluoride toothpaste. So 3 of them is from the Now brand. This is the Zyla White. And I got the Centerfresh toothpaste gel. And y'all, I do prefer gel over paste. Of course, I'll buy toothpaste, y'all, because if it's on sale, I'm going to buy it. But I do prefer the gel. To me, it feel like it get between my teeth and just, you know, under my gums and all that kind of stuff. I just prefer gel over paste, but I use toothpaste. I make my own tooth powders when I feel like it. I use that. Then I also got, this is Platinum Mint toothpaste gel with baking soda. And y'all, this box is crumpled up, so this must have been one of the products that was on that side of the box that got all busted up. Y'all see, but long as the toothpaste on the inside is okay and the sealed packaging doesn't seem to be broken, so I don't think nobody got in there and used my toothpaste, y'all, and then put it back. And then I also got the Refresh Mint toothpaste gel. So I think the reason why I keep going back to the Now Solutions is because they do have gels. I hate to say toothpaste gel because it's like you contradicting yourself, but either a toothpaste or tooth gel. And Now Solutions does offer a lot of tooth gels. And then the last thing I got is by Himalaya, and I have purchased other products from this brand, but this is Himalaya Complete Care toothpaste, fluoride free. It is vegetarian, helps fight plaque, and gives you healthy looking gums. So that's this product right here. See if you can see that. So Himalaya brand since 1930, y'all. So they've been around for a while. The key ingredients are Indian gum, Arabic tree, triphala, which triphala, do your research on triphala. Is 3 ingredients, so the try triphala. But those 3 ingredients individual are really good. And together it's a powerhouse. I use them in body care and skincare, and also in my hair products when I do my Ayurvedic formulas. just, you know, do your research. And bishop's weed. So bishop's weed promotes fresh breath. Triphala is all-day protection, and Indian gum Arabic tree is healthy-looking gums. Oh, and then they also included, and y'all, I don't think I bought this, but this is just, it's like a little ruler, a little plastic little ruler. Oh, what a bookmark ruler, y'all. I don't know, but that's included. I guess that was some kind of little free gift or whatever. It goes to what? It only go to 5 inches. So that's what I purchased from this iHerb.com. I don't know if I have a referral link, but if I do, y'all, I'm going to include it. The main reason I placed this order at iHerb.com was to get the Castile soap for this DIY pesticide, this all-natural pesticide that I hope to use on aphids. But it's good for all soft-bodied pests. So I think he also talked about spider mites and other soft-bodied pests. It's supposed to be good to work on them. He said do an application and then like 7 days later do another application, because if the aphids or whatever the bugs are, if they laid eggs, they would hatch, you know, maybe about 7 days later. So you just want to check your plants. A lot of things he said you'll get rid of everything in one application, but you might want to do 2. And if you do 2 in the beginning of the season, but you don't cover your plants, you don't protect them, you know, those moths and butterflies and bugs and everything, you know, they come around all through the season. So if you see another infestation, it's not necessarily that this solution didn't work. Is that another bug came around and laid eggs or started chewing or eating or whatever. So you just might have to apply another application. I'm going to try this season, and I'm going to tell y'all how it works. I have dug up everything except for a few little straggly onions, and I think I'm just going to put them in. I have a pot. I think it might be like a 1-gallon pot. I believe I'm going to just put those onions in there. If they make it, they make it. If they don't, they don't. I just need to get them out of that raised bed. And then I have, that's either a cabbage or a cauliflower in that far right raised bed. It's the only thing that's left in there. And maybe the peas, y'all. Maybe the peas. I just can't, you know, I got to pull it out though, y'all, because I need to redress my beds. I am still waiting for these stores to put their soil, their fertilizers, and their amendments on sale. They are not doing it, y'all. They trying my patience. Today is March the 20th. I'm way past the time that I wanted to have everything planted out. But my starts are growing a little slower than what they usually do. I don't know if it's because of the weather. So I did my starts, but I did them outside. So they are going to acclimate and all that kind of stuff from seed. So I'm not growing them inside, starting them inside, or starting them in my garage or whatever, and then going outside. I'll sow the seeds and put it straight outside. I did notice some things that I corrected, kind of, well, not corrected, but that I adjusted to see if it makes a difference. And if something happened, and let's say all of the seeds fail to germinate or none of my starts work, then I'll just direct sow in the raised beds like I normally do anyway. Do you shop at iHerb.com? What have you ordered? Do you order body and skincare like personal products, or have you ordered products that you can use in your garden? Do you order like household goods like kitchen cleaner, stuff like that? What do you order from iHerb.com? Y'all, they always have a sale. They always have some kind of coupon or % off. If you have not at least checked out their website, check them out. And if you do decide to purchase, and I have a little referral link, y'all, please use it. Help your girl out. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Also remember to like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.